oneofoneboxbreaks.com, doing a little personal break tonight. Friday night, March 28th, 6:41 p.m. Getting into this Prime Signatures inner here. Doing a box for Jeremy. Here we go. Good luck to you, Jeremy. Now that I know how these work, let me take the bottom card here. All right, your first card, Jeremy, is Matt Castle, Kansas City Chiefs. See if I can get that focus going. Seems like after I switched out of the HD, I lost the focus on everything there. 271 out of 499. And then D'Angelo Williams for the Carolina Panthers. That's going to be numbered 337 out of 499. Let's see if I can get that to come in there. Oh, there it is. Crystal clear. See? D'Angelo Williams for the Panthers. Very nice. And then DeMarcus Ware for the Dallas Cowboys. 136 out of 499. And the hit. So far, nothing really too good out of this one. Georgia Loca for the Cincinnati Bengals. And that's going to be numbered 68 out of 199. Well, there you go, Jeremy. Thank you for that break there. I appreciate it very much.